Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Oh,
I could hear the changing in the background, and it was really satisfying for my ears, so I was like,
get things off your chest, whether it is like about your feelings and emotions, or if it's just about shit you've been thinking about.
What's up, everybody? As you can see, Maxi, yeah, as you saw in the video, there was a tire, probably like an 18-wheeler tire that was on the highway. The truck, I guess, wasn't paying attention, waited to the last minute, tried to go around it. I guess it went under the truck. The car in front of me hit it, and it was nothing I could do. You know, it was either run over top of it or potentially total lost my car trying to swerve around it. So here we are with the front bumper is pretty much destroyed. Just gonna have to be replaced. Cracked. So yeah, it ripped off the front under tray. It ripped off the rest of the under tray. It ripped off the fender liner and front splitter. It did jack up my front mount on my side skirt, so I'm gonna have to figure something out about that so this doesn't just rip all to shreds. That's all we got for now. I'll give you more info and more updates as the process goes along, and she'll be back. So, you know, she's gonna be looking real stock before too long if all this stuff keeps happening. You know, the wheels, now the bumper and all those other stuff. So, and my front lip, my front splitter. So yeah, she's gonna be back in stock form in not too much more time. So I'll be back when I get something figured out.